Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, back again with another video for you guys, and I'm here with Destroyerspark, and he's going to be helping me with this $680 PC build.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how it's gonna go. I will say the parts of this PC build, and Destroyerspark will just name a few details about each of them.
And the price.
Yes, that's most important. So without any further ado, let's just get into this. So for the CPU, we went with Intel's i5 6500 quad-core processor.
Yeah, it's 3.2 gigahertz to versus 3.6, and it's $198.
Yes. And for the motherboard, we went with MSI's H110M Gaming Micro ATX motherboard.
It's LG 1151. You need it.
Yeah. The price.
It's $70.
Right. Okay,
I almost
cool.
forgot that.
And for the RAM, we went with G-Skill's DDR4 memory, 16 gigabytes.
It's 2133 megahertz, and it's $62.
Yes, it is. For the storage, we went with Western Digital's 1 terabyte hard drive.
But so it's a 3.5-inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive, and it's $48.
Yes, I find this is one of the best budget hard drives they have out here. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's best budget so far. And now for the video card, we went with EVGA's GTX 1060 video card.
Okay, so the reason why I chose this is because it's faster than RX 480 in every single benchmark. So, yeah, just choose it. If you want to go to RX 480, you could save $20. But we recommend this.
Yes, and I believe this has 6 gigabytes of VRAM as well, right?
Yeah, and it's $250.
Yes. And lastly, for the power supply, we went with Corsair's 450 watt power supply.
It's 80 plus bronze certified, semi-modular.
Okay. And I think it costs $50, right?
Yeah, can't really remember.
Yeah, it's $50 here. I have it here. It's $50 for this.
And the total price is $678.44.
Yeah, so very close, a dollar and a few cents off of the 680 mark, but it's very close.
Buy a
So-
stick and stick it on your PC without money.
So right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. The links will be in the description for this website, pcpodpicker.com.
Any future mess ups, blame it on Brandon.
Really.
Yeah.
And you guys will only know what he's talking about if you go and watch my previous $600 PC build video. The link will also be in the description below. And if you want to check out Destroyerspark's channel, the link will also be in the description below.
You didn't tell me about this.
Anyway. So right, guys, I really hope you guys
Anyway.
enjoyed. Please subscribe if you did. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a big fat like. Let's see if we can get at least 5 likes on this video, because we made that 5 like mark on the previous before.
On the last previous before video.
Yes, very funny, isn't it? Yes. So anyway, guys, BKR Destroyerspark. See you later.